Hi, so basically we're going to find a simple screen recorder. If you're using, this is for Microsoft. So if you're using Microsoft, you just click Microsoft Store and then click on Microsoft Store app. Make sure you have logged in into your Microsoft ID so that you know when you enter in, it's already in. So I've already logged in, okay? So here I'm going to put here screen recorder. Okay, it's going to give plenty of options in terms of screen recorder. Here I'm going to choose something that has a better star rating, so we want something simple, right, and free. So I prefer checking on this. Let's test on this because it has almost 4.5 star and 353 reviews, so I'm going to click on that. Right, capture screen, webcam, audio, cursor, which is what we want. Powerful tool, you can record anything on the screen including selected area, application, active windows and more. Great. Take screenshots, screencast, clicks, strokes, mix audio recorded for microphone, speaker output, capture webcam. Great. So yep, let's look at the review. One person is saying can't use, but the rest saying it easy. So let's try it out. Here we explore together. I'm going to get. I'm going to click on the get. Okay, and it's installing. It's downloading. So the speed of downloading depends on your internet speed. How fast is your internet, and that's how fast you get it downloaded. And then you click on launch because it's already down. Once it's already installed, you click on launch. Okay, it will start launching. I've not explored. We will explore together. So automatically, once you click, it will bring you to this page, the page for the screen recorder. Leave it open because we may need to refer it. And when you see this screen, my PDF editor, blah blah blah, or maybe you can just click on the X. Okay. In my case, I just PDF editor is a big version. So once you launch, this is how it will look like. So I'm going to minimize this, push it here, have this opened at one side. Okay, so we have these settings here. So what we're going to do is click on the configuration and right, since I've already have a screen recorder, guys, leave it open like this, and my next video will cover in terms of how to set up the configuration of this, because it may may interfere with my current recording. Okay, with that, thank you and see you in my next video.